Hi YouTube, Brian James on my path to Paphos here. Sorry about the bit echoey in the room, but I'm bringing you an update on something which has happened today on Wednesday the 4th of March. If you remember on my video on the 2nd of March, I said it would be inadvisable to bring drones over for whatever reason. Well, of course, we had an incident on that same day, on the 2nd, where somebody was flying a drone too close to Paphos airport and got the airport evacuated. We've, of course, had a drone attack on Akrotiri. And as of Wednesday, the Ministry of Transport over here has banned all civilian drone flights from anywhere in the Republic or the Republic's waters. So if you're in the Republic of Cyprus or in the territorial waters over there, you are not allowed to fly a drone. So don't even think about bringing one across. Don't even think about, if you live over here, taking it up. You are banned with immediate effect until further notice to fly a drone in the Republic of Cyprus or in its territorial waters. So be careful of that. The police will come. You will have some serious consequences if you do take a drone over. Keep it in its box, keep it locked away. You're going to have a day to play with it in the future, but not for now. So I thought I'd just bring you this quick little update, let you know what's going on, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.